Hey, William.
Hey, Dad.
What are we doing?
We're going to be opening this cool package. I forgot.
How do you know it's a cool package? What's in it?
I don't know. I forgot what you called it. So let's get straight to it and open it.
These are my favorite. All right. Oh, what's that? Okay.
And then we got this thing.
Okay.
There's a vacuum
What else?
cleaner.
What's this?
I don't know what this is.
You don't know what that is?
No.
Okay.
So let's see what it is, guys. Comments below if it's awesome.
So this is a Nerf vest.
Yes.
It's another one of those AMOSTING Nerf vests. We've looked at a lot of their stuff, haven't we?
Yeah.
This was about $16.
Yep.
$16.
But we have.
Hold on, what's all? Oh, you're losing pieces. It's got more darts. Oh, it's got a lot more darts. Hold on, let's count the darts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 in the package. How many packages? How many packages?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
Okay.
That means it's got how many darts?
100.
100.
Hey, Daddy.
10 times is 100. That's very
Daddy,
good.
when we end this video, can we do a Nerf war?
We might be able to do a Nerf war. And what is this?
This is a new magazine.
A new magazine for your gun?
Yeah, it looks just like a sniper one. Because it looks littler than my other magazine. But I can go with it.
Okay.
And this is like the vest. And then my favorite, the mask.
Well, sit down. What is this?
Let me see what that is. Oh, this is like to put your bullets in.
And what happens?
When you get out of bullets, you can use those to be extra. And this is like the best day of my life, guys.
Best day of your life?
Yeah.
This is a little flimsy. This is a little flimsy.
Is that a wristband?
It's a wristband.
Cool. But and when we have the Nerf war, maybe we're each gonna have a pistol, and we're gonna have and then we're gonna have like another big gun. And I'm gonna be the one wearing the vest because I'm awesome. Whoa, this is rad.
What is that?
My sunglasses.
Are they sunglasses or are they some other kind of glasses?
Some other kind of glasses.
What other kind of glasses are they?
Like gun glasses.
How about safety glasses?
Safety glasses. Dad, these don't fit me, I don't think. Oh.
What's up with the punches?
This is so cool.
All right, look.
Look at it.
Wristband. Now give me your hand.
Okay. Dude, that's awesome.
And then your wristband, your vest.
Dad, you know what would be so cool if they made it where these should shoot together on the wrist.
Well, where they should shoot.
Yeah, where you could keep it on your wrist and there's like a little trigger that you press and then all of them shoot like boom, like a rocket. Daddy, thanks for buying me this.
Oh, you're welcome.
This is like the best thing that I ever got. And we gotta be careful. If Mom gets home and she sees all this stuff, I think we're gonna be kicked out of the house.
They kicked out the house?
Yeah. Hey Daddy, I'm gonna load a magazine. Okay? I like loading the Nerf magazines, but not real life ones. They're hard. Okay, let's see. Let's dump this out. And let's load my magazine, guys. Okay, so which way do we put this? Hey, Daddy, you're going to send this on Facebook? I would love for you to do that. Oh, there goes us, guys. Our little dog, puppy. Daddy, how much bullets do you put in this one?
Well, what does it say on the side of it? Keep looking. There's a number.
Oh, 6.
How many does your other one hold?
12. 4, 5. Oh no, Daddy, we're gonna get in big trouble. But that's okay, guys. Is this 6 bullets? Yeah, that's 6 bullets, guys.
Okay, put your vest on.
Alright, cool.
Alright, what do you think?
Cool.
You can talk, can't you?
Yeah.
What do you think?
I can't breathe that good, but I'm fine.
You can't breathe that good? Well, it's a little big for you. The vest is a little big, and the little skull mask thing is a little big.
Yeah. Daddy, I don't know about the Nerf war. I think I'm going to win. Yeah, but you're going to get the minigun. Remember the minigun we had?
Uh-huh.
That's one you're going to get.
Okay. So, you got a pocket for your extra magazine now?
Yep. Boom.
And what else you got? What else you got? It came with a magazine.
That, and then I got this. And yeah, that's all I got.
Okay.
So, yeah, let's get this Nerf war started. Oh yeah, I gotta fire it first.
Oh! You shot me in my pinky toe.